Welcome to a Knightline registration demonstration. This is a simple illustration that should help you understand the basics of registering in Knightline. The registrar has a link to a PDF file on Knightline training. Go to Registrar homepage, Registrar Resources, Knightline Training Materials. There are other good things here too. Here is the student registration PDF file. Please review this file to gain an understanding of Knightline registration. Joe Testperson has met with his advisor. He and his advisor selected a number of courses for which he would like to register. He has reviewed his major paradigm at the Academic Advisement website. He selected major courses, core curriculum, minor elective courses as well. Under Resources for Students, select his major of Business Administration. This gives the 4-year suggested paradigm for a business major. It also has a progress sheet for the major, and it has a progress sheet for core curriculum. Joe is now ready to register. He goes to Knightline, enters the secure area, puts in his ID number, his Knightline password, goes to Student Services, Registration, Add Drop Classes. He's going to register for spring. He could also register here for J-term if he were interested in doing so. Agrees to the registration financial agreement, and enters his registration PIN that was given to him by his advisor. This gets him to an Add Drop Classes worksheet where he can enter the CRNs that he has written down on his web registration worksheet. It's the easiest way to register for classes, and we'll start with the first one was Philosophy, the Philosophical Foundations at 9 o'clock, Spanish 101 in the afternoon at 3, Geology, 10 o'clock lecture with a lab on Thursday from 11 to 1, and his Economics 102 class. Submit those changes. 3 of the 4 classes he has registered for. He gets an error message on the philosophy class. It's closed. There's nobody on the wait list. That's what the 0 stands for. He would like to be on that wait list. He goes into the Action drop-down menu and selects Waitlisted and submits change. So he now is registered for 3, waitlisted for 1. He wants to have 4 classes, so he'll do 1 more class. The philosophy is a writing intensive. He wanted to make sure that he got a writing intensive class this semester. The other philosophy at 8 o'clock is writing intensive, so he's going to register for that, 3578. And that one he is in. He really wants to be in the 9 o'clock rather than the 8 o'clock, and as a result, if he gets a waitlist ticket, he will drop the 8 o'clock, add the 9 o'clock. At this point, Joe can return to menu and can see his student schedule by day and time, and the detail schedule, having to put in a date in the second semester. He should check his email every day to see whether he gets a waitlist ticket for his philosophy class. This ends the basic illustration. You may also view another demo that illustrates the search feature, something that is really quite useful, especially when you may need to change your schedule due to some unforeseen circumstances.